Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana to Google Calendar for team deadlines. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Asana. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the project you want to sync with Google Calendar. Open the project by clicking on its name. Next, find the drop-down menu in the project header. Click on the three dots to reveal more options. Select Export/Print from the drop-down menu. Then, choose Sync to Calendar. A dialog box will appear, providing you with an iCalendar link. Copy this link by clicking the copy icon next to it. Now, open a new tab and navigate to Google Calendar. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. On the left side, look for Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign next to Other Calendars. Select from URL from the options that appear. In the field provided, paste the iCalendar link you copied from Asana. Click Add Calendar to proceed. Your Asana project deadlines will now be synced with Google Calendar. Allow a few moments for the synchronization to occur. You can return to your Google Calendar to view the events. Adjust your calendar settings if you wish to customize how the events appear. Ensure that your team members have access to the same Google Calendar if needed. Review the deadlines in both platforms to confirm they match. You are now successfully configured to view your Asana deadlines in Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.